Good day, shaving cadre. Welcome to Barber Dave's Barbershop at Home. We're going to do a straight shave today, kind of a red themed shave. We're going to be using our Jerry Stark 7/8 cleaver. Basically, the inspiration behind this was a Ferrari concept car that was out a number of years ago. For our brush, and that is inlaid with carbon fiber and red micarta. And then for our brush, we're going to be using our matte DeRuiter carbon fiber F1 with a wolf whiskers knot 2-band. For the aftershave, we'll be using Swiss Pitralon. And for the soap, this is my second purchase of this stuff. I think it's a great $7.97 soap, or $7.67, and that's the Cremo shave stick. This is in the classic scent, which they did not have the last time I was there, and then I do have the vanilla orchid as well. So we'll see how that goes with a straight razor. Hope everybody's doing well. Now that for most of us, we feel like we're orbiting Mars because our sun has been orange. This Cremo shave stick's pretty neat. It's obviously in a roll-on container, but it's pretty good. At first, I wasn't very impressed with it, but as I've been using it, and this is basically a very almost a barber-shoppy scent on the soap. Very classic. It does have a little bit of an orange flavoring to it, so to speak. But basically, that's it as far as just wiping it on your face like a roll-on. And I'll take the Proto Lather and put it on, and that's pretty much about it. The razor has been touch-up honed and also been stropped 30 and 60 already. Definitely very much a kind of a blood orange forward, but you can feel the barbershop feeling of this soap, and it lathers pretty well. And it will take on a lot of water. There will be a Zoom call today. For those of you that are interested, I will be putting that out here pretty quick. Okay. Not a bad soap under the for a straight shave. Stays pretty slick. Not too shabby. Could be just a tad slicker, but that could be just the fact that I need to add a little bit more water to it. Not much else going on. I've not been on the forum as much as I normally am because we've been having major internet issues with our provider, unfortunately. And they're having to come out and dig new cable, supposedly Wednesday. So we'll see if that actually takes place. Good first pass. Soap stayed relatively slick. Like I said, I could probably add a little bit more water. And I forgot to say that also for the EDT, keeping that Ferrari theme, we'll be using Scuderia Ferrari Black. It's been, probably a week and a half, maybe even 2 weeks since I've used a straight razor. I've been spending my time with the Blackland, and I know I call it Tradier. I know it's probably pronounced something else, but which turned out to be a very, very nice purchase. Very well worth it. Not quite as aggressive as I remember the original being, but adding a feather blade helped it as well. Okay, pass number 2. With this cleaver of a razor. 7/8 razors are not traditionally in my wheelhouse, as are 8/8 or even 10/8. Although I do have a couple of 7/8 and one 8/8 FBU. But 4/8 to 6/8 are my favorite. Especially with this one having the Spanish point. You have to be real careful. This was one of Jerry's early razors that I had him make for me. He's gone on to just make tremendous razors, and now he has engraving on his blades. It's good to see Jerry's doing well. He's a local artisan out of Winslow, Arizona. Although he's not a vendor here, I wanted to give a quick shout out to Wild West Brushworks, as he looks to be back up and running again, which is fantastic. Again, he's not a vendor here, but he is a local Arizona artisan right up the street here in Florence, so congratulations to him. Tremendous second pass. As I said, the soap could be just a little bit slicker, but overall, nice. Like I said, for roughly an $8 soap that you can pick up at your local Wally World. Pretty impressed with it. And the beauty of shave sticks, obviously, is the travelability. You know, they're TSA approved. quick and easy to lather. And really kind of perfect for a DE. And not too bad with a straight either. So if you haven't checked out either Jerry Stark or Wild Rush Brushworks, it's worth a gander. As I said, they're not vendors here at the Shaving Cadre, but they are local Arizona artisans, and you know, obviously, from a personal level, I want to support, you know, anybody local. And I proved to myself that obviously I can still hone a razor. Been so long. I've not been doing as many customer razors as I have been. Simply, or members razors, to be honest, is simply because I've been so busy at the shop. This is definitely not a soap that you could do cleanup with no water. In fact, a water-only cleanup would be rather dangerous. Although the residual slickness with water isn't terrible, I think it's best to do something with soap as far as cleanup. And the Fool's Pass. The Fool's Pass was definitely the most intimidating of the straight razor passes because it's something where you could lose a nose. So good 3 passes. Overall, really smooth. Definitely a DS-BBS shave. This razor has a tendency sometimes to give me some irritation, but I'm not feeling any of that today, although the aftershave will be the kicker. And once again, we're using Swiss Pitralon. It matches the shaving soap surprisingly well. Not too bad. A little bit of a zap, but nothing major. And the Swiss Pitralon, people have described it different ways. I get a pear, an apple, a little bit of orange. It pairs perfectly well with Henriette Victoria Poire Foncée, which is a pear, kind of a warm pear cobbler type of soap. But very nice. So yeah, for $7.97 or whatever it is at Wally World, is it nice to have? Yeah, this is the second one I've got. The other ones, there is a coconut mango that some people might like. It was a little bit just too cloying for me, but a lot of nice scents. And then I believe they have a sandalwood as well now. So they're not bad, you know, like I said, for a shave stick. I will be using Boro Talco today for our talc, and then of course our EDT with Ferrari. So if you can join us for the Zoom call, please do so. Just sign up and I'll get the email out here. Ooh, cloudy day. Again, if you've never been to the Shaving Cadre before, you can come see us at www.theshavingcadre.com. We are the only self-moderated forum, self-moderated shaving forum. A bunch of good guys, a bunch of great artisan retail vendors, as well as hobbyists. So come out and see us there. So there's the talc. And then, once again, we use the Ferrari EDT spray for today. Kind of bergamot, a little bit floral, and that's it. All right, folks. Well, thank you so much for joining me at Barber Dave's Barbershop at Home for our straight shave, and we'll see you again down the road. Once again, www.theshavingcadre.com. Have a blessed Sunday, folks, and we'll see you again soon.